students, welcome to our channel. One of the students requested some example problems from Ellipse. You have to explain, sir. So that is the reason I decided to give that examples a video, individual questions and all at one video. Also I will make it for your convenience. So the first question here in this session, C is the center, A dash, B dash are major and minor axes of the ellipse. If Pn is the ordinate of a point P on the ellipse, then show that this information. Pn square by A dash n into An is equal to Bc square by Ca square. This question may help in MSET or JMNs also. Like this LHS they will ask to in MCQs that objective. We may get this type of results. See here the answer for this ellipse equation. So rough diagram of the ellipse. So this is the ellipse equation. Standard form of the ellipse. Center of the ellipse. The curved ellipse which cuts the x-axis, that means major axis here. A dash is called major axis. B dash is called minor axis. Ca value is equal to A units from here to here. Even Ca dash is also equal to A units, but it is left side. So given equation of the ellipse, x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1. And one more information is there. C is the center, A dash, B dash is major axis and minor axis, whose lengths we can take it. So A dash is equal to length of major axis that is 2A. Length of major axis is equal to 2A. So A dash, from here, observe carefully, dear students. C is the center of the ellipse. So A dash can be written as AC plus A dash C. Can I write like this? A dash is equal to AC plus A dash C. That is equal to 2A. This value is A, this value is A. That is the reason 2A it will be. Similarly, B dash is equal to length of minor axis that is equal to 2B. Even here also from here to here it is B, from here to here it is B. While writing coordinate of the point, then you can consider here minus, otherwise only plus. Distance we are considering here. B dash is equal to BC plus CB dash is equal to 2B. So this information is over. Since AC is equal to A dash C is equal to A. This is very important point. Keep in mind, dear students. And here also one information, important information, BC and B dash C or CB dash is also equal to B from the figure. After that, you have to assume any point. Let P is the ordinate. Here, Pn is the ordinate of the point now. So, PB, any point on the ellipse. Any point on the ellipse. So, what point I am taking is here, parametric point I am taking, P of theta. P of A cos theta, comma, B sin theta. This is the parametric point on the ellipse. Draw like this. That means Pn is a perpendicular. Draw perpendicular from point P to the major axis and which meets at N. So Pn is P be any point on the ellipse, that is P of theta A cos theta comma B sin theta, where theta is the eccentric angle. So from here to here it is x coordinate, from here to here it is y coordinate. So Pn value from figure, this is x, this is y now. So from the figure, Pn is equal to B sin theta, y coordinate, ordinate, they mentioned here. Pn is the ordinate of P. Ordinate means y coordinate. I hope you understand, students. Are you able to see once? Yeah. Ordinate of the point P. After that, now consider LHS and we are going to prove that RHS. So here LHS sorry, Pn square by A dash n into An, A dash n into An. Observe, dear students, here A dash n means here y coordinate, this is the y coordinate, this is x coordinate now. When point is here, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Pn is y coordinate, Cn is what from figure? Cn is equal to A cos theta. Abscissa or x coordinate? X coordinate of P. So A dash n from the figure, A dash n can be written as A dash c plus n. From the figure, A dash n can be written as A dash c plus n, which is equal to Pn. Pn value is what? B sin theta whole square. B sin theta whole square. A dash n can be written as A dash c plus Cn. Similarly, An can be written as An AC minus Cn. AC minus Cn. A dash c and AC both are equal to A only, no? And Cn value is equal to here A cos theta, which is equal to B square sin square theta. B sin theta whole square is B square sin square theta by A dash c. A dash c and AC is equal to A. So A plus A cos theta, A minus A cos theta. A plus B into A minus B formula. A square minus B square. B square sin square theta whole divided by A square minus A square cos square theta. A square take common. So B square sin square theta by A square into 1 minus cos square theta. That is equal to B square sin square theta by A square into sin square theta. Sin square theta get cancelled, which is equal to B square. So B can be written as BC, we can write now. So BC, according to this, BC whole square, B square by A square, that also can be written as BC means, since small b is equal to BC and small a is equal to AC or CA. AC or CA. So by CA square RHS. Hence the result. I hope you understand it, students. Here I applied a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Thank you, dear students. Next question. If Pn is the ordinate of P on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 and the tangent at P meets the x-axis at T, then show that Cn into Ct is equal to a square, where C is the center of the ellipse. Here the question is, Pn is the ordinate of the point P on the ellipse. So first what we have to write is, let P of theta, or simply P, a cos theta comma b sin theta, parametric point which already we discussed in the earlier classes. P of theta be any point in the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So from figure, this is the ellipse equation, ellipse curve. Here I am taking the point P of theta, a cos theta comma b sin theta. So center. At P of theta, tangent equation you have to draw. First we consider a point on that. The equation of tangent at P. The equation of tangent. The equation of tangent at P of theta to equation 1 is S1 equal to 0 at P of theta. What is the formula for tangent equation at parametric point? X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta. This is the formula, dear students. Is equal to 1 or minus 1 equal to 0. This tangent equation only. This is S1 equal to 0. Tangent equation meets the x-axis at what point? T. So on x-axis we know that y coordinate is obviously 0. So that means x comma 0. How to get x value? Y is equal to 0, substitute in S1 equal to 0. Equation 2. Equation 2 meets x-axis at T, then y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, substitute in this equation. So y is equal to 0, substitute in this equation. X by a cos theta plus 0 is equal to 1. From this x make as a subjective. So x cos theta is equal to a. X is equal to a by cos theta. What is x represents? CT only. No? This is CT means x coordinate. That is CT is equal to a by cos theta. I hope you understand. X means distance from center to this point T. CT is equal to x. So x value is a by cos theta. So CT value we got it. What about Cn? The distance, the draw perpendicular from point P to the x-axis at which meets at point N. Draw perpendicular from P which meets x-axis at N, then Cn is equal to, so when the point is here, Pn is y coordinate of this point, Cn is x coordinate of the point P. Cn is equal to x coordinate of P. So Cn is equal to, what is x coordinate of P in this? A cos theta. So A cos theta. After getting the two results, CT and CN, now consider LHS. CN into CT. CN into CT. Cn value is A cos theta. Cp value A by cos theta. So cos theta get cancelled, A squared. That's what they are asking to prove, no? RHS. Hence the result. Cn into Ct is equal to A squared. We'll move to the next one. Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about the examples in ellipse topic in Mathematics-2B. Let us have a discussion. The question: if a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, a is greater than b, that means it is in the standard form, meets its major axis and minor axis at the points m and n respectively, then prove that a square by cm square plus b square by cn square equal to 1, where c is the center of the ellipse. See here, first if you draw the figure, you will get idea. If a tangent to the ellipse, it meets major axis and minor axis at the points m and n. This is the figure of ellipse. This is the center. A dash is major axis. B dash is minor axis. Here I am assuming any point on the ellipse P of theta. P of theta means A cos theta comma B sin theta. Tangent equation let's write it will be tangent meets major axis at M. That means here this is M. B dash is minor axis. It meets at N. So this is the center. So we want Cm value, Cn value. So for that, first step, let us consider, let P of theta be any point on the ellipse. What is P of theta? That is, P of theta means A cos theta comma B sin theta. Parametric point it is on the ellipse. At this point, find equation of tangent. Second step. The equation of tangent at P of theta to the ellipse is x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. Equation number 1. This is the equation of tangent at P of theta to the ellipse. This equation only. This is equation number 1. Equation 1 meets major axis at the point M. Major axis means here x axis. Equation 1 meets major axis at M, then y is equal to 0. Sir, why sir you are writing y is equal to 0? Method axis a dash, it is indirectly x axis. On x axis which coordinate is 0? Y coordinate is 0. So y is equal to 0, substitute in this equation. Therefore equation 1 implies that x by a cos theta plus 0 is equal to 1. From that make as a subject as x. So x cos theta is equal to a. That implies that x is equal to a by cos theta. X is equal to a by cos theta. So how the value of x? Whenever point is here, this CM is x-intercept. That is CM is equal to a by cos theta. CN is called y-intercept. So similarly, equation 1 means minor axis at n, then x is equal to 0. On minor axis means y axis, on y axis x coordinate is 0. Therefore x is equal to 0, substitute in this equation 1. Equation 1 implies that x by a cos theta, x value is 0 now here, 0 plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. From this, y sin theta is equal to b, y make as a subject, y is equal to b by sin theta. Here y represents y coordinate, Cn, y value is equal to Cn. Therefore, that is Cn is equal to b by sin theta. After getting these results, prove that they are saying. So now consider LHS. What is that LHS? A square by Cn square plus b square by Cn square is equal to a square divided by Cm value a by cos theta, a by cos theta whole square plus b square by b by sin theta whole square. So which is equal to a square by cos square theta plus b square by sin square theta. So a square, b square get cancelled. Denominator of denominator, numerator. So cos square theta plus sin square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta value is equal to 1, which is they're asking. It is required solution. Therefore, a square by cm square plus b square by cn square is equal to 1. Hence the result. We'll move on to the next question in the next video. Hi dear students, the next question here in the examples. If theta 1, theta 2 are the eccentric angles of the extremities of the focal chord other than vertices of the ellipse, and E is eccentricity, then show that E into cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 equal to cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. E plus 1 by E minus 1 is equal to cot of theta 1 by 2 into cot of theta 2 by 2. So first result and second result, one by one we will calculate. So in the solution step, first we have to draw the figure according to question. Theta 1, theta 2 are the eccentric angles of the extremities of the focal chord. First figure you have to draw that. This is the ellipse equation, ellipse figure. Center. This is the focal chord S. This is P. This is Q. P of theta 1, Q of theta 2. What is P of theta 1, P of theta 2? I will write it here. Focus coordinates, we know that AE comma 0. So first you have to write the ends or extremities of the focal chord. It's a focal chord. Let P of theta 1 is equal to A cos theta 1 B sin theta 1 and Q of theta 2 A cos theta 2 B sin theta 2 are the extremities of focal chord of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 when a is greater than b. This is the information regarding this figure. By observing the points P, S, Q which are in collinear. Why? Because they are lying on the same line. That means focal chord. So second point, P, S, Q are collinear. So whenever the points are collinear, slope of SP is equal to slope of SQ according to the figure. Then slope of SP is equal to slope of QS or SQ. QS only can take it. Whenever 2 points are available, easy to calculate. The focus coordinate here only I mentioned, here I did not mention. Why? Because here in the figure itself it is there. So slope of SP, P of theta 1 means A cos theta 1, B sin theta 1. Just here only I will write it. P of theta 1 as A cos theta 1, comma B sin theta 1. Even here also A cos theta 2, comma B sin theta 2. So slope of SP, these two, x1 y1 x2 y2. So B sin theta 2 minus 0, B sin theta 2 minus 0 by A cos theta minus A cos theta 1 minus AE is equal to slope of QS, B sin theta 2 minus, here see theta 1, no? Here theta 1, sorry, here also theta 1. So B sin theta 2 divided by, here theta 2, B sin theta 2 minus 0 by A cos theta 2 minus AE. So B sin theta 1 divided by A take common cos theta 1 minus E, which is equal to B sin theta 2 divided by A take common cos theta 2 minus E. Both sides B by A you have to cancel it and then cross multiplication. So here sin theta 1 into cos theta 2 minus E is equal to sin theta 2 into cos theta 1 minus E. So sin theta 1 into cos theta 2 minus E sin theta 1 is equal to sin theta 2 into cos theta 1 minus E sin theta 2. Observe carefully, dear students. Sin theta 2 cos theta 1, this term I am taking into this side, and minus E sin theta 1 I am taking into this side. Therefore, sin theta 1 into cos theta 2, this value we are taking this side now. So minus sin theta 2 into cos theta 1 is equal to minus E sin theta 1 we can take here, E sin theta 1 minus E sin theta 2, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B formula. So sin of theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to, E take common, sin theta 1 minus sin theta 2. I hope you understand till here. After that, after reaching this step, sin theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to E times of sin theta 1 minus sin theta 2. We know the formula in trigonometry, in a half angle formula. Sin A can be written as 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. So by using this, sin theta 1 minus theta 2 can be written as 2 times of sin theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by 2 into cos theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by 2, which is equal to E into, keep bracket, sin C minus sin D. Even here also I write formula, some students not able to remember. Sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So 2 cos C plus D by 2, that means theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 into sin theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by 2. Both sides, first you have to cancel the term 2. After that, sin theta 1 minus theta 2, sin theta 1 minus theta 2 will be cancelled. The remaining cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by 2 is equal to E times of cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 divided by 2. That's what they are asking to prove the first result. The first result was completed. This is the first result, dear students. Result 1, hence proved. The first result is over. From this result, cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 we can take here. Cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 by cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 divided by 2 is equal to E. E means what? E by 1. By componendo and dividendo property, what is that property? Componendo and dividendo. Here I am going to apply. By componendo and dividendo. So the property I am going to write here. A by B is equal to C by D. That implies that a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. That's what. So by using this, it is in the form of a plus b by a minus a by b by c by d. A by b equal to c by d. So by using this, we can write it as cos of theta 1 by 2 minus theta 2 by 2 minus, so plus is there no in the numerator, plus cos of theta 1 by 2 plus theta 2 by 2. This also can be written as, simply I am writing cos of theta 1 by 2 minus theta 2 by 2 whole divided by cos of theta 1 by 2 plus theta 2 by 2 is equal to e by 1. From this step we are writing a by b is equal to c by d. So a plus b by a minus b cos of theta 1 by 2 minus theta 2 by 2 plus cos of theta 1 by 2 plus theta 2 by 2 is equal to e plus 1 by e minus 1. So this side we got it now. Cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. What is the formula? Sorry, here minus now. Denominator minus it should be. Cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. 2 cos a cos b. In every term trigonometry formulas are required. Still I am writing some students' convenience. Cos a minus b plus cos a plus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. Another set, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is equal to 2 sin a sin b. So numerator will be here. So numerator will becomes 2 times of cos theta 1 by 2 into cos theta 2 by 2 divided by denominator 2 sin theta 1 by 2 sin theta 2 by 2 is equal to e plus 1 divided by e minus 1. 2 get cancelled. Cos of theta 1 by 2 by sin of theta 1 by 2 is cot theta 1 by 2. So cot theta 1 by 2 into cos theta 2 by 2 by sin theta 2 by 2. Cot theta 2 by 2 is equal to e plus 1 by e minus 1. Hence the result, or hence proved. I hope you understand that, dear students. The 2 questions till now they didn't ask in the public examinations, but we may expect, especially in AP, chances are there to ask. Anyway, in 2022, according to the 70%, in TS it is not there, but in AP, chances are there this question to ask in the public examination. I hope you understand, dear students. Thank you for watching our channel, Maths with Panitra. Jai Hind.